Generally, if your iPhone is locked and is in sleep mode, and if you lift your iPhone, then it should automatically wake up. But if in case your iPhone does not wake up when you lift your iPhone, then let us see how to fix the issue. For that one, we will go to settings, we will go to display and brightness. There is an option here, raise to wake. Make sure that this option is always selected. If this option is deselected, then what happens is when you lift your iPhone, it does not wake up. You have to either tap on the screen or you have to press this button on the side in order to wake up your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.